Imagine making $17,000 without showing your face, without even using your own voice. Sounds crazy, right? But it's not. What if I told you people are doing this just by copying others? And you can do it too. Let me show you how. Script introduction, 30 seconds. Hey everyone, if you've ever dreamed of making money on YouTube, but you're too shy to show your face, or don't want to use your voice, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a strategy that made me $17,000 just by copying content that already works. I know it sounds impossible, but I promise you, it's a legit strategy that can change your life. Section 1. The strategy explained, 1 to 2 minutes. So, how does this work? It's all about content repurposing. Here's the idea. You find videos that are already popular, understand why they work, and create similar, but not identical videos. Think of it like cooking a new recipe with the same ingredients. The key is to put a fresh spin on it without outright copying. For example, let's say motivational videos are trending. You can take snippets of famous speeches or inspirational quotes, pair them with royalty-free footage and music, and voila, you've created a new video that can attract thousands of views. Section 2. No face, no problem. 1 minute. One of the best things about this method is you don't need to show your face. You can use stock footage, animations, or slideshows to keep your audience engaged. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Canva offer free video clips you can use legally. Plus, you can add text overlays or captions to keep things interesting. This way, the viewer stays focused, and you stay anonymous. Section 3. No voice. Use this hack. 1 minute. Okay. But what if you don't want to use your voice? That's fine. Tools like AI-generated voiceovers are a game changer. Websites like MURF.ai, Speechify, or even the free text-to-speech tool built into your computer can give your video a professional-sounding voice. You can also use subtitles alone if you want a silent video. The trick is to keep the visuals compelling enough to hold attention. Section 4. How I made $17,000, 1 to 2 minutes. So, how did I actually make $17,000? Here's a quick breakdown. Niche selection. I chose a niche that already had a massive audience. Motivational content. Content sourcing. I found popular quotes and speeches online. Video creation. Using stock footage and AI voiceovers, I created engaging videos. SEO optimization. I made sure my titles, descriptions, and tags matched what people were searching for. Consistency. I uploaded regularly, at least 2 to 3 times a week. After a few weeks, one of my videos blew up, earning me ad revenue and affiliate sales. It was a snowball effect from there. Call to action, 30 seconds. Want to give this method a try? Start by picking a niche, finding inspiration from trending videos, and using the tools I mentioned. You don't need expensive equipment, just the right strategy. Hit that like button if you found this useful, and subscribe for more ways to make money online.